The Siliguri court sentenced the death penalty to Mohd Abbas in a case involving the rape and murder of a minor on September 7th. On the morning of August 13 in 2023, a 16-year-old resident of Matigara PS area under Siliguri Police Commissionerate left for school. She never came home again. At around 5:30 p.m. that day, her body was found in a remote part of town, bearing multiple and severe injuries. The investigation revealed that she had been sexually assaulted before her death. Close scrutiny of CCTV footage helped police zero in on Mohd Abbas, who confessed to giving the victim a lift on his bicycle and taking her to the remote area where he sexually assaulted her, hitting her repeatedly in the head with a brick to stop her from struggling.
Last occasion we prayed for death sentence because 3 sections on which the punishment was proved, among the other section carries the maximum punishment, death sentence. So last day I had a 1.5 hour hearing on this point, trying to project this case that this is one of the rarest of the rare case. And as per the verdict or judgment as given by the net court today, it is clear that the court has emphatically stated that this is one of the rarest of the rare case in Indian judicial history, and that's why the death sentence was awarded. Death sentence was awarded in 2 consecutive sections. One is 302, that is murder, and another is section 6 of POCSO Act. So other than this, there was 7 years imprisonment for the other case, and 10 lakh rupees compensation has been awarded to the family members as a compensation under this scheme.
So what was the actually incident happened? And
actually, a school girl, he was 11 years standard student, so she was just returning to her house. So this accused person took her on her bicycle and took her to a abandoned place, and there he mercilessly beaten her, mercilessly raped her. Because of the rape, she succumbs to the injuries, he died, and thereafter, in order to conceal the identity of the person, he used the beaks spreading around in the PO and thrust her head so that nobody can identify her. But because of the school bag, books and any other things, and because of the mother and father, they are fully aware and they are known to the victims, the body was identified, and later on even the DNA was being matched between the biological mother and father with the children, and the DNA found in the blood of the accused person matched with the DNA of the girls. Apart from this, there is a huge amount of digital evidence in this case, and that is this is the first case in North Bengal where I applied right blocker, and this is the first case in India probably that where the cycle pattern was used. Means before commission of crime, the accused person took the lady to the PO, and then thereafter, after commission of this heinous crime, she took the lady from the she left the lady at the PO dying, and returned back to his house in a rushing way to his bicycle. So the pattern of cycle riding actually matched with the pattern at the time of taken in the time of investigation. So that was the very important issue in this case. Technically,
there is a huge similarity with this RG incident with this case. So do you think it's a big oxygen for the investigation? People can just get justice?
Definitely, definitely. Because the point which I made day before yesterday is that the crime against women was on very much rise. So in order to arrest this, to stop this, we need to convey a message through this case to the entire society in India, to install confidence in the mind of all the ladies, all the minor girls, that they are safe. The law is stringent in India. It is required to be executed in a stringent way, because from the day one, I from Calcutta, I was traveling to and fro from Calcutta to Siliguri. I faced a lot of hardship because there are a lot of issues are there. I again repeating, there was a petition. The defense went to the before the Honorable High Court, because the reason was that why the case was going very fast. Otherwise, this case would have been completed within 3-4 months. I am very sorry that the case has been completed within 8 months. My target was to complete this this case within 2-3 months.
Sir, do you think state police is capable to solve this kind of incidents?
Definitely. Not only the police, the state public prosecutor is also capable. So you can see the result.
So are you happy with this judgment?
Definitely. This is a landmark in my life, my career as well. Because I told this matter in the last occasion that in my 22 years practice, I have not seen such a heinous rape. Because I'm repeating. The section among the other section which the case has been proved was 376 capital A, because the lady died because of the repeated heinous sexual torture. Even the hymen was completely teared. You can understand the barbarism behind this entire thing.
So do you think it could be a symbol for those who can attempt this kind of...
Definitely. This will go a very huge message to those prospective people, those prospective offenders who dare to commit such a type of crime.